Hello, Dr. Lee. I'm doing a short video to show you how to collect Tedlar bag samples of emission. So what I have here is something that's called a vacuum chamber. Right? So it is a purchased from SKC vacuum chamber. And more information can be obtained at their website, the complete operating instruction. But I hope this short video will summarize all the important steps. So this vacuum chamber have a viewing port, and this is a Tedlar bag. So as you can see, you can collect samples of Tedlar bag. So usually I would put a sticker that's easily removable, so that we write the sample information, like where it was collected at what time. This vacuum chamber is airtight. So on the left side of the suitcase, when you're facing it, we have this quick release connection. So you can see that once you slide this down, you can pull it out. Right? So when I turn on the pump, it will pull the air right inside the vacuum chamber, so that the differential pressure would allow the air samples to be pulled into the sample into the Tedlar bag. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. And there's a knob here to adjust the air tightness. So if you want it to be really airtight, you have to adjust this knob. And so I will close it. So this tubing can just basically point at the source where the sample is to be collected. So for wildfire emissions, you can certainly just set it from a location where those wildfire emission can be sampled. So once you close it, when you are ready to sample, you will use a SKC pump. So we are going to probably send a smaller one, and so you can program in the flow rate. Again, the instruction is available at the SKC website. So right now it's ready. I can start it. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot something here. So I did not open the bag. So that's one. So you can cut it. Alright, so here. So on the back, it has this direction for opening and closing the valve. So right now it's in a closed position, so I should have opened it by twisting the knob. Hold down this lower part of the stem and turn this counterclockwise is to open and clockwise is to close.
Okay.
So as soon as the sample has been collected, just close it. Right now I'm getting ready to sample. So I'm opening it and then close it. Start the pump. So if you look through the viewing port, you can see that the bag is begin to fill with the air sample that's pulled from this tubing. So you don't want to overinflate the bag. So right now I'm using this Tedlar bag sampling to collect samples from electronic cigarette emission. That's why I program it to stop after every 1 minute or so that it doesn't overfill. So right now, you just need to close it. Yeah, so once it's closed, you can pull it up. So a new bag usually would just have this valve stem, but to make it fit the connection here, I usually will grab some Teflon, right? Grab some Teflon tapes, and then I will add a tubing to make sure that it is a tight fit. Okay, so this part is very important. If the fit is not tight, the air sample can be blended with some of the residual air inside the vacuum chamber. Okay, so that's about it. So always monitor, the bag filling process through the viewing port. Okay? And then this one is a quick release, so you can just disconnect it like this. So
Good.